current demo video is used to go to room 52 in Cardiff University's Abacus building. The room location has already been preset, and when ready, the BLE scan is started. Once the watch has finished its scan, it then gives directions based on the most nearby beacon. As the user walks to a new beacon, the signal gets updated and the new directions are provided. In this case, it now says that the user is at the lab. New messages are displayed every 10 seconds, with each scan taking 3 seconds. When new directions are given, the user can then walk and continue on their path to their room. In this situation, the user knows where the printer is, therefore has stopped. However, for a new user, they would continue walking to the end of the corridor. Here, an incorrect result is shown, as BLE signals are bouncing along the corridor and providing a false result. A small readjustment is made, and correct proximity messages is shown. Message says destination is nearby and within 10 steps, and the user can compare room numbers nearby to find their desired location. Once they're at the room, the message will display green with 100% accuracy due to the crossover of 2 beacons contained in the same room in its data. The current demo video is used to go to room 222 in Cardiff University's Abacus building. The location is already preset, and then when ready, the application is started. The user is then given directions based on the most nearby beacon. Here it's said to go from middle floor to the right of stairs, make sure to look away from the stairs. As the user walks along, new directions get given depending on the closest beacon, and they can continue following the path until they reach their destination. Once in proximity to the destination beacon, proximity directions are started, and depending on which ring the user is in, a different message will be displayed. As the room is in the yellow ring, a green message will only be displayed when the user is in the yellow ring, or between 3 to 6 meters of the beacon. This current demo video is used to go to room 139 in Cardiff University's Abacus building. This video will go through the whole setup process of selecting a room and then finish with the user getting to the room. Firstly, the user is greeted with a welcome screen, and then they can select the floor number using the 2 right buttons to increase and decrease selection. Then by pressing the bottom left button, they can increase and decrease the room selection, and if they hold the top right, it'll increase the room quickly, save time, and allow for an efficient use. Once the user is ready, they can start, and they can start receiving directions from the smartwatch. The map on the right can be used as a visualization aid to help understand where the beacons start and end, which ring the user is in, for demonstration purposes of this demo. Once the user is in proximity of the target beacon, proximity directions are started. In this case, the destination is in a green ring and the user is in a red ring, therefore displaying a red message saying they're the furthest away from the room it can be, while still being in range. Next, as they move closer, a yellow message pops up saying they're closer, but still far away. Then, when the user walks closer towards the room, it should be displayed with the green message. However, in this case, BLE beacons are not 100% reliable, therefore a second scan is required. On second scan, the result is correct, and watch indicates that the user has arrived at the destination. And the watch will continue to loop until the app is closed by the user. The accuracy of these proximity directions can be increased by increasing the number of BLE beacons per floor, allowing for multiple beacons to contain the same room in its data, therefore allowing crossover examination.